Hi, this is Krishna again from Car Care. We have a 2006 Corolla with us for a restoration. Here we go with the first look of the car. Here is a recap of the work done on the 2006 Corolla. We have painted it with a premium white pearl metallic paint from Glasurit, and we typically had a little bit of work on the mechanicals as well. The car was running on the original clutch at 1,62,000 kilometers. So we have replaced the clutch plates, and we have done the brakes overhauling, suspension strut replacement, and the rear axle push. This car is a joy to drive, and hence the restoration is worth it.
This is a 16-year-old car, Toyota Corolla. It has a little bit of sentimental attachment, so that's why I kind of decided to do a complete overhaul of the car instead of kind of selling it off. There were quite a lot of issues with the car. I mean, obviously the paint was completely damaged, so it required quite a lot of restoration work. And I have to say I'm extremely happy with the way the car has come out in terms of the finishing and all. It looks almost brand new, like it came out from the factory. So I'm extremely happy with the work done and very happy with the way Krishna and Meena kind of, I would definitely recommend Kriti Car Care. I mean, if you love your car as much as I do, then yes, I mean, this is the place to come and get it restored.